Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Al-Qura Public School online classes. Hopefully, you're taking good care of yourself, your family, and everyone around you. So, this is our English grammar lecture. I am your English teacher, Adam. This lecture is for grade 4, textbook Junior English, and our topic for today is verbs, page number 2 of Junior English. So, let's open or start our lecture for today. To understand the concept of a verb, we will play a little game over here. Simon Says game. I know that you have played a lot this game in your school. So now here are few actions which Simon is saying us to perform. Number one, Simon says close your eyes. So close your eyes, everyone. Simon says raise your head. So you have to raise your head. Sleep on the table. Very good. Stand up. Open your eyes. Sit down. And this last one, Simon says, listen to the teacher. So, what are the action words or verbs? Action verbs or action words are called verb. You are well aware of that. You can see few verbs over here: close, sleep, open, raise, stand, sit, listen. These are few examples of verb. So here's the definition. An action verb or verb is a word that shows what someone or something is doing. For example, what are you doing right now? Yes, you are running. Very good. What am I doing right now? I am teaching or delivering a lecture. So the action is teaching, learning. These are verbs. Now look at the Vira's verbs. Vira's actions, in other words, what she is doing: writes, runs, eats, reads, jumps, swims. These are Vira's verbs, or few more examples of action words or verbs. Hopefully now you will be able to understand what is a noun. Now open your books. We will solve Junior English page number 2, exercise A. Exercise B will be solved by yourselves. Okay, let's start. Now, exercise A is make a list of the verbs in these sentences. I have underlined over here. Fish breathe through their gills. How fish breathe? Fish. What does fish do with their gills? Breathe. Many animals hibernate during the winter. Hibernate is a process when animals go to sleep during the season of winter. Some of them wake and search for food on day. Wake and search. After digging the garden, Dad dragged it well. Digging and dragged. Brazil produces and exports vast quantities of coffee. Exports. The ship struck an iceberg and sank. Struck and sank are the verbs. Now you have to copy the verbs in the column to the left. You can see over here there are few verbs. You have to write it over in your exercise B on your notebooks. Okay, hopefully the concept of verb is very clear now. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact your teacher. This is the end of our lecture. So be happy and stay happy. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.